gentlemen, welcome to 180 Drums. If you have ever, I'm talking ever even thought about bass drum speed, we've got Sarah Thawer here today, and she is laying it down. Multiple bass drum hits, unlike anything I've ever seen anybody do, just super clean, super consistent. So, where does this come from? How did you learn how to do this?
Gospel musicians.
Gospel musicians?
Yeah, a lot of gospel musicians. I love animals as leaders.
Okay.
Like, I love a lot of, like, prog rock stuff.
Yeah. Matt Gertzka, what up?
Oh, my God. Unbelievable.
Yeah.
Another, like, again, to bring up his name, like, Larnell.
Yeah.
He's crazy at this bass drum speed. And I remember for 3 years consistently, I'd leave 2 hours early just to watch him play and to watch his foot.
Watch him play where?
Jazz Bistro, like, anywhere around Toronto play. And what I did for 3 years, I practiced 45 minutes a day on my foot for 3 years straight. Like, I would have a gig, I had to go to Amsterdam for a gig. Flights at 5 a.m., I'd, like, wake up at, like, 1 in the morning to do 45 minutes. So I never missed a day. So.
Unbelievable.
Too much dedication.
This is amazing dedication. I love it. Guys, I hope you're learning something right now. You gotta work. There's people out there like Sarah waking up at 1 in the morning before a flight to Amsterdam to practice her bass drum speed. So, hashtag no excuse.
Right, no excuse,
Hashtag go harder.
Yeah.
Just making up hashtags. I love this. Okay, so Unreal. Do you want to just play for us kind of the bass drum motion so we can see what's going on?
So I'll just try different grooves, different speeds. I'll just mess around so you can see how it works at different speeds.
Yes, please.
All right.
Pure disbelief. Amazing. So when you're playing that, you're rocking your foot, and you're rocking your foot from the pad of your foot to your toe, and you're just kind of rocking in that area, trying to catch the pedal. Is that right?
So, yeah, like, it goes under the category of slide technique.
Right.
Like, you're sliding back and forth. But, again, like how I was saying earlier about feeling the kick drum, along with sliding, I want to be tapping, too.
Right.
Like, each hit you're sliding, but bump, 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 not just shh.
Yeah.
Kind of thing.
Yeah, because I've seen some people use that technique where it's like they're using a lot of their heel, and it lacks the intensity that this has. Because this has a good intensity heel up.
Right, and even when I was showing you the example, I had a couple of slip-ups. Because when I'm not thinking about feeling the kick sound, I slip.
Yeah.
So it's like you have to feel each hit to make it powerful and strong.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Do you want to start really slow and just show us that motion?
Definitely.
Okay. Yeah, this is blowing my mind, this amount of technique. It's so brilliant. Now, when you were practicing it, what would your practice routine look like? How would you practice this to develop? So you had 45 minutes a day. Was there strategy every day? Or were you just trying to play, focusing on using that technique?
Strategy.
Okay.
Because, like, of course, you can't use slide for everything.
Yeah.
If you play a single, you do something different. You play a double, you do something different.
Yeah.
So I'll do singles, tom and kick, then I would do doubles, then I would do slide.
Can you show us that? Run us through that?
Yeah.
Okay. What? Like, are you kidding me? It's blowing my mind. I need to immediately just have a bass drum under my foot the whole rest of my life and just sit there and practice this. This sounds unreal. Okay, so when you're practicing it, you're shifting. You're spending 45 minutes going back and forth, really probably going slow.
Very slow.
Concentrating between just those singles around the drums.
Yeah.
Working it up in speed, working it down in speed.
Because you want to make sure, like, sometimes you can get caught by playing flams when you're doing at such high speeds.
Yes.
And that's the danger. Because it sounds like mush. So
Amazing.
you gotta start slow.
I can't believe how fast you're able to do the singles. Amazing.
Thanks.
So then with the double strokes, same type of deal, right? Just taking it nice and slow, practicing on generating that power. And is this primarily how you practice it, by just moving around the drums like that?
Yeah.
What else were you working on in that time?
For foot?
Yeah.
Okay, so triples. I worked on a lot of triples.
Okay, how would you work on that?
One thing with triples, I wanted to strengthen my heel up.
Okay.
So I would do triples with heel up. And sometimes if you want to like throw in a triple, like in a really fast speed, I would do slide.
Okay.
But I would practice heel up.
Can you show us heel up against slide? Go like show one, then show the other?
Yes.
Okay. 1 second. Okay, so when you're focused on heel up like that, that's heel up, right? That was the slide?
That is heel up.
So you're focused on just applying the same pressure in the same spot of your foot.
Yeah.
And developing some, like, I guess, fast twitch. Like, how are you able to play it so fast?
I know I keep bringing up this name. My hero and my buddy, Larnell.
Yeah.
He used to tell me that he used to sit, like, coming home from school back in the day on the subway, and he would just tap his foot on the ground. So I literally took that in, and I'm tapping all the time.
Wow.
Because, like, I don't want to cheat. Like, I don't want to, like, one day have a miracle and have a slide and be like, oh my gosh, you played a triple. No. You got to hit 3 times. And to hit 3 times, you got to practice heel up, hitting it 3 times.
Yeah.
To have the pronounced hits.
Wow. Okay, now show us slide.
All right.
Okay, so it's kind of like down, up, down motion, right?
Down, up, down. To be honest, like, if I'm just playing one quick triple in the middle of a groove, I'll do slide, but otherwise, I prefer to do it heel up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you play a groove, and can you go dig-a-dip, bop, bop, dig-a-dip, bop, and can you alternate every time?
Yeah.
So show us heel up to start, then slide.
Definitely.
And just do the same thing, but go back and forth.
Let's do it.
Okay. Okay, so once you're comfortable with that, then you've now evolved that idea even to being able to play 1E and it's like 16ths the whole time.
Yes.
Okay, how are you doing that?
Slide. Slide plus tap.
Okay, so that's like kind of that motion of like down, up, down, up, down,
So,
up.
Yes, totally. So, this is me tapping my foot.
Yep.
So, tap back, tap forward. Tap back, tap forward. So it's like you're sliding, but like I'm tapping though. I'm not just going,
Yeah.
you know. Yeah.
Okay, show us that. Show us some like nice and slow 16ths like that with your foot.
All right.
Amazing. Play us out on this one, Sarah.
All right.